Okay guys, I'm back. Here's me opening the keyboard. I'm going to be covering some information because I really don't want you guys to see it. But, oh my god, this looks so sick. Here, I'll just... Okay. Here it is. Here's the keyboard. Man, the MIYA Pro. Looks very fancy. I have to do, if I do say so myself. Let's take it out of its cover. Here is an extra key switch. Not sure what that's supposed to be, if you guys can, but it's probably for the escape key. I'll leave that on the side. Oh, there's a sticker. Mechanical keyboards. These are like the side panels. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm gonna be opening it. Here is the keyboard. MIYA Pro. Switch the World Keyboard Artist. Ducky VX Armillo. The box looks pretty simplistic. It's a, oh, I forgot to mention, it's a 65% keyboard. I like the arrow keys and I like the delete key, so thought might as well keep it. So let's see how it looks. You might unbox differently than I do. So let's just keep it that way. Very nice. It's unboxed very well. Now for the moment of truth. I ordered this maybe a couple days ago, just the camera. Maybe like last Saturday, and today is Sunday. It took about it said 5 to 7 days on the website, and it took 8 days. But you know what? I'm not complaining. During this quarantine, I cannot say the word, because otherwise I'd get striked for that. That would not be good. Oh man. Yeah, so let's see it. Oh my god, that's so sick. So inside is the keyboard, and then a little thing right there. What's called like a little instructions. Let's put it over to the side. So here is the wire for it. It's pretty good. It is not braided. Looks pretty good. Put that off to here. Here is the certificate, or whatever this is called. Instructions, RGB mode configuration. Oh, I see. That's that. Just all the languages and stuff. Key function swapping. Yeah, I don't really care. Here. This is the protector. It's like any other Ducky keyboard protector. Mind you, this is the first time I've ever had a smaller size keyboards. I've always had, oh god, that sounds so good. I've always had full-size keyboards, so it's the first time getting a smaller one. I know this is a little bit cringe, but it's gonna be how I'm opening it for now. Man, this looks sick. I might get new keycaps, I might not, who knows. For some reason it looks a bit dusty. I'm really not sure why. I got the Nature White keycaps. And then, of course, keycap puller. I've never had a keycap. Well, I'm gonna find out how to use that later. But this is the keyboard. It has arrow keys, the insert, delete, page up, page down. Pretty helpful keys. And then escape key, of course. I might replace that with the other chroma thing I saw earlier. But yeah. I'm gonna do a quick typing test. And then I'll show you how it looks on the keyboard. Oh, the sound of that keyboard. Oh, I mean, the spacebar is so good. Oh, that sounds good. I think this is the only color it came in. It didn't come in black. If it did come in black, I would have got the black version, but hopefully this isn't too loud. I might replace the keycaps, but here's the back. Here is the silver, whatever called, manual thing, and then I'm guessing 2 layers of, nope, it's just one. It only goes back one, and then the grippy thing so it doesn't move around a lot. Well, I like it. I think it looks pretty nice. I might change the keycaps because it's way too bright for my taste. I'm not sure. Guys, so I am back. Here is the keyboard. It's a little louder than I expected, but still a nice keyboard. I'll show you my other keyboard. I liked it for a while. It had all the media keys, but I didn't like how huge it was. It took up so much space on my whatever it's called, my setup. But I might switch the keycaps. But yeah, so that's what I'll do. So yeah, quick update. I'm having trouble getting off the space bar, and I realized how much harder it is to use this, but that's just my opinion. So I'm gonna figure out how to get the space bar off. I kind of like how it looks with the white, so I might just leave it, but you'll see in a bit. Okay, I'm back. For some reason, I don't know why it's not typing anything, and when I do the function keys, no colors are popping up. I don't know. I just figured out that I'm stupid, and I forgot to plug in the keyboard, and for some reason, what's weird, it's page up and page down either don't light up or something like that. I think it looks pretty good. I think the keyboard looks really nice. Here, I'm going to put the cover on and then see how it looks. Okay. It looks pretty good. It doesn't look like it fully covers it. It's a little bit weird, but yeah, whatever. I'll put it like this. Anyway, yep, that's pretty much it. I put the escape key up here because I like the look of it. The yellow is a little bit too bright, if you can kind of tell. But anyway, that's the keyboard. I hope you enjoyed the review. And that's it. Bye.